We'll start off by creating a new directory, and then we will change into it and then do a git init to initialize the Git repository. Now that we have initialized it, let us now create a file. We'll use nano for it. As you can see, just enter nano with followed by the file name. It will open nano, and we've just written hello world here, and then we will save it. To save, we can use Control O, and then to exit, Control X. Now that we have created the file, we'll just go ahead and check the status of our Git repository. Of course, there are no commits, and it also shows us that there is an uncommitted file called hello.txt, which is expected. Let's now add this file to the repository and then commit it. Commands are add dot and commit -m to also input the message. Now, with being that done, let us check the status of our repo. So you can use git status for that. As you can see, it just shows that there is nothing to commit. Now let us try to create a new branch. Here I have used git branch -b followed by the new branch name, but I think branch is not the correct command here. We should use checkout. So git checkout -b, what it does is it creates a new branch called new changes and also checks that out for us to work on that new branch. So once you hit enter, it will show you that it has switched to the new branch. Now we can confirm that by issuing git branch command. It will show with an asterisk against the branch in which we are currently right now working on. So as you can see here, the new changes has the asterisk on the left side of it, which shows that the branch that we are working on. Now let us change the hello.txt file. So let's make a slight change here, and then we will do Control O to save it and then Control X to exit from it. After that is done, we can check the status of the repo. As you can see, showing that hello.txt file has been modified. So we can now commit this. Before that, the git diff command also will tell you exactly what has changed. Let us now commit this change with an appropriate. Let's check the status of the repo. Nothing to commit. Of course, after committing, there shouldn't be anything. Now let us also confirm the branch. So you can see it's still on new changes branch. Now we will switch to the master branch using the checkout command. We'll confirm it by issuing the git branch command. So it shows us that which branch we are on. It's master. Let us now look at, just to confirm, just to check what does our hello.txt file consist of. So you can see it's still hello world. Now to bring in the change that we have done in the new changes branch, we want to merge that into master. So we'll use the merge command here, git merge new changes. That will merge the changes in new changes branch into master. So that's been done. Let us check using the cat command. So you can see the file has indeed changed. And then as a final check, we'll just issue the git status command to check if there are anything pending on that branch that needs to be done. Of course, you can see here there is nothing to commit. Everything is merged and clean.